improvements are sustainable and not just a short-term pop. Quipt Home Medical QIPT is facing serious headwinds. The stock dropped sharply after a downgrade and a disappointing quarter, with revenue down 6% year-over-year and a net loss reported. The loss of key contracts is weighing on growth, and while recurring revenue and gross margins are strong, overall sentiment and technicals are weak. Analysts are cautious, and the risk of further downside is real, so it doesn't look like a buy right now unless there's a clear turnaround. Sigmatron International SGMA is in the process of being acquired for $3.02 per share, which means the upside is capped and the stock will be delisted soon, unless there's an arbitrage opportunity. If the price is below the buyout level, there's not much left to do with this one. Lottery.com LTRY has made progress with a turnaround, securing significant funding and expanding into new areas like sports media and tech. However, technicals remain bearish and near-term sentiment is negative. It's a speculative play for anyone who believes in the long-term story, but not a clear buy for short-term traders. BDSX BDSX is a high-risk, high-reward situation. There's been notable insider buying at the lows and revenue is up, but the company is burning cash and carries a heavy debt load. If you're comfortable with risk and believe in a turnaround, it could be interesting, but the financial risk is significant and it's not for the faint of heart. Hyperscale Data Inc. GPUS is actively traded and undergoing a major transformation. The company reported $25 million in Q1 revenue, reaffirmed solid full-year guidance, and is shifting its Michigan data center to focus on AI and high-performance computing. They're also still mining Bitcoin and expect about $20 million in mining revenue this year. A spin-off of non-core assets is planned by year-end, after which GPUs will be a pure-play AI infrastructure stock. There's some complexity here with exposure to Bitcoin price swings and ongoing business transitions, but management is bullish and the growth story is credible if they execute as planned. In summary, EDBL is a momentum play with short-term upside but high volatility. Quipt is under pressure and not a buy right now. SGMA an arbitrage, delist situation. LTRY and BDSX are speculative, with BDSX offering high risk and potential reward. GPUS is a high-risk, high-reward growth story in AI and data infrastructure with real catalysts but also significant volatility and complexity. Like and subscribe.